What do you want?
Food.
Why?
Food.
Jack loves ice cream.
Yummy. More piece. More piece.
He doesn't even finish what's in his mouth and he's asking for more.
There you go. Can you see his face?
Uh-huh. Is that good, Jack?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Peace.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
All right. Say bye-bye, Jack.
Bye-bye, Jack.
Say bye-bye, Mama.
Bye, Mama. Bye-bye, Mama.
Say bye, camera.
Bye, BK. Bye, K.
See you later, Jack. Love you.